Okay, these are the last two things that I'm going to do to my hair, and then I'll be done for now. Maybe I'll do something to my hair again in about 2 weeks or so. If you followed along with the trying to get the blue hair dye out of my hair saga, then welcome back. Nice to see you again. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, then boy, do you have some videos to catch up on too. So yeah, after everything I've tried to get the blue out of my hair, this is what I'm left with. This is my masterpiece, and I really thought that almost nobody was gonna like it, but y'all really liked it, so that makes me happy. Thank you for the compliments, you're all very sweet to me. But there was one piece of advice of almost everybody who watched the video, and that is trying to tone my roots. So today I'm just going to try and tone it, but I don't really have a toner, so I'm just going to see if I can make my own concoction and get my hair to be a little bit less yellow. And I'm also going to try and give myself some bangs. Okay, see you later, bye bye. Okay, so I have good news, but I also have some bad news. The good news is that it turns out that I do actually have a toner, and this is also my favorite toner, so love that for me. The bad news, however, is that I already used half of the bottle. And no, I can't buy another bottle right now because I have to order this online. So I need to dye my hair right now. I'm gonna use this, whatever. You know, whatever. I know this stuff works, so at least the front of my hair is gonna look good then. Trying to get every little last drop out of the bottle, cause we gonna need it. And then the toner itself. Oh, this is so not enough. This is not enough at all. I just want to say that my hair literally grows so fast that I already have roots showing now. I bleached it like a few days ago, but look. I already have roots. Literally, when I bleach it, like you're not gonna believe this, but the moment I rinse it out and I look at my scalp, I can already see like darker hairs. I can see like stubbles. My hair is growing faster than the bleach is developing. Which is pretty insane if you ask me. I'm using like minimal amount of product, so I hope it's going to be like enough for it to actually work. Ugh. I got the front section done, and I swear to God, I don't think I see a difference. I really don't think that this is working. And I just want to clarify, by the way, that I do not think that that's the fault of the problem. No, the fault of the problem? What am I saying? I do not think that that is the fault of the product, because I've used this toner before and it actually works. But I do think that it probably has something to do with the fact that I opened the packaging about 4 months ago. But yeah, I still have product left though, so I think I'm just gonna use it anyways. It's like, maybe it does work, I don't know. Okay, so most of my hair is covered in toner right now. But yeah, most of my hair is not all of my hair. Look. That is what I still have left. And this is how much toner I still have left, which is nothing. I think I'm just gonna try and make like a little concoction of like purple hair dye and conditioner, and let's see if I can tone my hair that way. Okay, change of plans. I do not trust myself enough with actual hair dye, so instead of hair dye, I'm going to take a sip of water. So instead of hair dye, I'm just going to use my trusty old purple shampoo. I mean, yeah, I know purple shampoo isn't like an actual toner, but it works almost like a toner, you know, especially if your hair is as light as mine. It works perfectly fine. So I'm just going to use a little bit of purple shampoo, mix it with some conditioner to make it a little bit thicker and easier to work with. And then I'm going to do that on my hair. La 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 la. This is a very bright light. I do not think that this is good for my eyes at all. I've got everything in my hair, the toner and the silver shampoo, and I do think that the toner is kind of vibing right now. I mean, can you see it? Like, something is definitely happening. I'm not sure if it's a good thing that's happening, but something is happening. So, and this is the back. Sick. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill right now, post some TikToks, and then rinse it out. Hope it's gonna look good. And then we can get started on the bangs. I love bangs. I also hate bangs, but I also love bangs. Okay, see you later. Hey, look how blonde my hair is. Oh my god. Oh, yeah, it's not perfect. It still has like some yellow to it, but the toner definitely did work, even though it was probably expired. Oh my god. It looks like I have platinum blonde hair right now. I think that platinum blonde hair is so beautiful, but I can never have it for longer than like a week because it makes such a good base for like any other hair color. So every time I have blonde hair, I just want to dye it again. But yeah, anyways, first success of the day. So let's hope that the second step of the day is also going to be a success, because the second step is giving myself some bangs. Pew, 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 pew. I have a very strong love and hate relationship with bangs, because every time I have them, I kind of want to grow them out, and whenever I don't have them, I want to get them. So yeah, I literally got some bangs a few months ago, I think back in September, and I actually let a hairdresser cut them for me. She cut my entire hair, but I didn't really end up liking it because she cut them in a way that I actually didn't want them to be. And that is why I never go to the hair salon, because they always do it wrong. So yeah, these two little strands used to be my bangs. By the way, I just want to say that I went to a professional hairdresser and I spent a lot of money on the service that she provided me, but she didn't do a good job at all. Like, look how uneven it is. Like, she cut it so uneven, and I have no idea how she even managed to do that. Like, this is a difference of 3 centimeters. Like, how do you not see that? I'm also not sure what kind of bangs I want to have though, because I kind of want to have like natural bangs that are easy to grow out, but at the same time I also want to have like micro bangs, like very short over here. Let's just first do this, okay? Let's just not waste any more time and just cut this piece. Cute! Okay, yeah, I guess we're going for shorter bangs today, because it's already very short. La la la. Oh, this is not even that bad. I don't think that this is what I want at all. I'm not sure what I think of it. Maybe I have to like style it a little bit. I don't know what I think of it. Do I like it, or do I regret cutting my bangs right now? I feel like it looks really stupid. Shit, do I not like it? It makes my face so big. I'm literally quiet because I'm trying so hard to make this look good and I do not know if I like it or not. What's happening? I feel like I don't like it. I really feel like I don't like it. But at the same time, I think it's kind of cute. But at the time, I think I don't like it. You know what? I'm just gonna step back for a while. You know, I'm just gonna eat something that genuinely helps. And then I'll be back. It's been about 15 minutes. I got myself a cup of coffee. And I assessed the situation. And I've come to the conclusion that I absolutely love it. Look, the thing with bangs like this is that they make my head so much bigger than it already is. Like, I have a huge head and these bangs really emphasize that. So it's always kind of shocking to me to see how big my head is with bangs. But I like it. What I'm now going to do is like, I'm just going to kind of fix them a little bit because they are a little bit, it's a little bit wonky. So I'm going to try and fix it a little bit, but then it's done. Right? I think it's cute. Right? Hell? Yeah, it's cute, right? Yeah. The question is though, do I know when to stop? That's a good question. Okay, everybody, my hair is officially finished. As you can see, I got some very tiny bangs, and honestly, that's just how I like them. Isn't this a vibe? Isn't this a vibe? Oh my god, this is actually so cute! Ah! Also, just look at the color. It's so beautiful how you can like see the blonde peek through and like the bottom. Cute! I'm so glad that I'm filming all of this because I want to look back at this the next time I have like a very big hair fill to remind myself that I am able to create something nice. So I hope you like my bangs. If you don't, I'm sorry, but honestly my hair grows so fast that like in a few months I won't even have them anymore. So don't worry. Anyways, thank you for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao ciao. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao ciao.